வெல்கம் டு ஹைடெக் சேனல்.
இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்ம் சயின்ஸில் யூனிட் 2 ஃபோர்ஸ் அண்ட் மோஷன் அந்த லெசனில் புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் ரோமன்டர் சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், யூனிட் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீட் இஸ், the answer is meter per second. Second question, which among the following is an oscillatory motion? The answer is to and fro movement of a vibrating string. Third question, the correct relation among the following is, answer, speed is equal to distance by time. Fourth question, Gita travels with her father in a bike to her uncle's house, which is 40 km away from her house. She takes 40 minutes to reach there. Statement 1, she travels at a speed of 1 km per minute. Statement 2, she travels at a speed of 1 km per hour. The answer is statement 1 alone is correct. Second long letter, fill in the blanks. First question, a bike moving on a straight road is an example for dash motion. The answer is linear. Second question, gravitational force is a dash force, non-contact force. Third question, motion of a potter's wheel is an example for dash motion, rotatory motion. Fourth question, when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be in dash motion, uniform motion. Third Loma letter, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, to and fro motion is called oscillatory motion. The answer is true. Second question, vibratory motion and rotatory motion are periodic motion. The answer is false. Correct statement, vibratory motion and oscillatory motion are periodic motions. Third question, vehicles moving with varying speeds are said to be in uniform motion. The answer is false. Correct statement, vehicles moving with varying speeds are said to be in non-uniform motion. Fourth question, robots will replace human in future. The answer is false. Correct statement, robots will not replace human in future. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. Answer is linear motion. Second question answer is rotatory motion. Third question answer is oscillatory motion. Fourth question answer is circular motion. Fifth question answer is linear and rotatory motion. Fifth Roman letter, given below is the distance travelled by an elephant across a forest with uniform speed. Complete the data of the table given below with the idea of uniform speed. Distance, answer is 8, 16. Time, the answer is 6. Sixth Roman letter. Complete the analogy. First question. Kicking a ball. Contact force. Falling off leaf. The answer is non-contact force. Second question. Distance meter. Speed. The answer is meter per second. Third question. Circulatory motion. A spinning top. Oscillatory motion. The answer is swinging of pendulum. Seventh Roman letter. Complete the web chart. Non-periodic. The answer is motion is not in uniform intervals. Next, movement repeated after a fixed interval of time. The answer is oscillatory motion. Next, movement about an axis or a fixed center. The answer is rotatory motion. Eighth Roman letter. Answer in a word or two. First question. The force which act on an object without physical contact. The answer is non-contact force. Second question. A change in the position of an object with time. The answer is motion. Third question. The motion which repeat itself after a fixed interval of time. The answer is oscillatory motion. Fourth question. The motion of an object which covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. The answer is uniform motion. Fifth question. A machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. The answer is artificial intelligence. Ninth Roman letter. Answer briefly. First question. Define force. Page number 18. Forces or push. அதிலிருந்து inanimate agency. அது வரைக்கும் 9th questionல first questionக்கான answer. Second question. Name different types of motion based on the path. Page number 21 and 22. Page number 21. The answer is linear motion. Next page number 22 la curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, zigzag, irregular. இதெல்லாம் 9th Roman letterல second questionக்கான answer. Third question. If you are sitting in a moving car, will you be at rest or motion with respect to your friend sitting next to you? The answer is I am in rest with respect to my friend sitting inside the car. Fourth question. Rotation of the earth is periodic motion. Justify. Answer. Rotation of the earth is a periodic motion because it takes equal interval of time for all rotations. Differentiate between rotational and curvilinear motion. Answer. Rotational motion. First point. A body moves along a circular path. Second point. Without changing its position about its own axis. Third point. Example. Rotation of a spinning top. Curvilinear motion. A body moves along a curved path. Second point. Changes its position with motion. Third point. Example. Throwing paper airplanes or paper dots. Answer in detail. First question. What is motion? Classify different types of motion with examples. Answer. Motion. Change of position of an object with respect to time is known as motion. First, based on path. Linear motion. Example, parade of soldiers. Curvilinear motion. Example, paper flight moving. Circular motion. Example, swirling stone tied to the rope. Rotatory motion. Example, rotating top. Oscillatory motion. Example, clock pendulum. Zigzag irregular. Example, motion of a bee. Second, based on duration. First, periodic motion. Example, motion of a bob of simple pendulum. Non-periodic motion. Example, swaying of the branches of a tree. Based on speed. Uniform motion. Example, yellow hand of a clock. Non-uniform motion. Example, motion of a train as it leaves a station. 11th Roman letter problems. First question, a vehicle covers a distance of 400 km in 5 hours. Calculate its average speed. Answer, distance covered by the vehicle is equal to 400 km. Time taken is equal to 5 hours. Average speed is equal to distance covered by time taken is equal to 400 km by 5 hours is equal to 80 km per hour.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். ஹைடெக் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.